Good day, my friend. How are you doing? And this is Tony FX once more. Today we'll be going over a lot of valuable content. Today I'll be showing you how to claim free Bitcoin Cash. I'll also be showing you how to reduce the charge on the claim, and this is going to be done through the Trust Wallet. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, I would like you to like this video right now, share, and also subscribe. In this channel you'll be getting valuable content. As you can see, this is a crypto education that is going to give you value, give you the basic knowledge of the blockchain system, the blockchain technology, how to trade the crypto markets, what wallets are, the strategies we use, the softwares we use, the right mindset to develop as a trader, and how to make money. This is it. So majorly what you're here for is to learn, to equip yourself with education that is going to enable you to do what? Multiply your money. So with that said, you can be able to just come over here and watch any video of your choice. All you have to do is go on YouTube, search for Tony FX, and follow, subscribe, share the video. So with that said, I'll be going to our Telegram group chat now to copy the link of the coin we are going to be sharing today. So over here on social media, we click and we open Telegram app. Okay, it's gradually opening up. If you check the last videos I sent a video on how to claim free BNB, and I also sent a video on how to claim free 2 million tokens from Trust Wallet. If you're an iPhone user, this could not be possible because the upgraded version of Trust Wallet doesn't have the DAPP function. But if you're an Android user, this is going to be 100% possible. So let's give it some time to load up. Okay, so the Telegram has opened, so we search for 10x BCH Token community. Is the 10x BCH Token community. So we scroll up. The link of to join this Telegram will be sent on the description. You just have to scroll to the description and you get the link to join. As you can see here, we share valuable content, valuable information on how to claim free tokens, how to claim free coins. This is very valuable. So my target right now is to grow my YouTube channel up to 1,000. And when I grow it up to 1,000, I'll be doing a wonderful giveaway. So assist me, my friends. Let's share, like, subscribe, and follow this YouTube channel. So this is it. These are people that has joined massively and they have been gaining value back to back. So I will the link of the coin I'll be sharing today. It will be found in this group chat. Alright, now I've copied the link. We'll be heading over to the Trust Wallet, and this is the Trust Wallet we use. This one, the Trust Wallet. You click on it and you can see it has a blue shield, then Trust and Wallet. Don't download any other app that is not that. So then we move over to DAPP. For iPhone users, you might not see this, but for Android users you see this. And one thing I need to make note of is that you need to create a different account. You need to create a different account from any other account to do this airdrop. If you have an account in Trust Wallet whereby you stock coins, like you have a portfolio where you buy the coins of your choice, you buy the coins of your choice and keep, that's good. You have a different account for that. And then you have a different account for tokens. Let me explain what these tokens is. These tokens is like ICO, whereby a company comes out, they have a product, they have a service they offer, and they're into business, so they create their own tokens, and then they work on the tokens, they work on the site, they work on the platform, they work on the business as time commences, so that when people start doing business with them, they'll be able to transact and exchange these tokens from exchanges, or they can be able to transact and exchange this within the company. So that's what this token is all about. So now if you're investing in this type of investment, I'll use the wise words by Winnie Buffett. He says when you're doing an investment, you always look at an investment in 10 days time, in 10 months time, and in 10 years time. You should do the analysis on this way. So you have to go in as an investor's mindset. Now you don't have to be a gambler. You don't have to say, okay, I want to put in 100,000 naira today, so by next week Tuesday I'll have 200,000 naira. No, that's not possible here. Use a token. In some cases, you'll be able to do that when you invest in shitcoins who eventually go in a pump and dump situation. So yeah, like for instance, this coin now, Golden Shiba Inu, I got it for $0.02, and then I left the coin here. Just know that it was listed few months at the beginning of June, and I found out that the 0.24, which gave me 5 million Golden Shiba Inu, I was able to exchange it in an exchange because it has been listed on an exchange. I think it is a KuCoin or Gate.io. It was listed, so I transferred $1 million there, and I found out that $1 million of this coin was now 0.02. So that means that this 4 million I have now is now equivalent to 0.02 times 4. So that's just it. So you have to have an investor's mindset. With time, when the company, the project improves and develops, you'll be able to earn more from it. So then we move over to DAPP. After you have copied the link, which I'll be pasting on the Telegram group. If you join the Telegram group, you see that, and also on the YouTube, you see it on the YouTube description. Then you move over here where we have a search bar, just like Google or Chrome, and you paste that link there. I paste it, and then I move over here and click the search on your phone. So it's gradually loading now. Okay, the site has opened up. You need to confirm it is Bitcoin Cash Limited. Then you move over to here, we have this Ethereum icon. Click on that Ethereum icon and you change this to Smart Chain. Change it to Smart Chain. Okay, wonderful. So when you go into this site, you have to read about it, know more about it. Here you can see that you have 45 days to do this. You have 45 days left to do this if you have not done it. And then you scroll down. You read more about the coin, the token, the pool with an exchange they plan to list it on, the developers working on the token, and then the roadmap of the company or the project map of it. So here you can see that by 2022 we intend to have full integration of Bitcoin Cash coin into this Bitcoin Cash token. So it's wonderful. By 2022 we've seen an outstanding result. So to keep updated too, aside from this site, you can join them on Telegram, you can join them on Medium, and you can join them on Reddit. So we move up and then we click here to claim this BCH. So we click on BCH and then we click OK. Okay, wonderful. So here you can see that we'll be charged a total amount of $0.17. The last time I told you I'm going to give you a free giveaway information on how you'll be able to reduce these fees. Financial Literacy by Robert Kiyosaki says everybody should find a way to reduce the charges they are being charged. Even a business that is running transactions should find a way to cut down taxes. That's why you need to have different type of registrations and different type of cooperative limited liability registration when it has to do with a business. So you'll be able to cut down fees and taxes by the government. So the same thing as an individual, whenever you're running transactions from one bank to another, or from one for one service or another, you should find a way to cut away charges. You need to think ahead and cut away charges. So you have to move over here and click here. You click here, and then here you have gas limit. You have to go to here. We have the first 10 and clean, then put in 7 there and click on save. You have to click on save. Voila. So the 0.17 has reduced to 0.2. So we reduced $0.05. from this. So we click on approve. Now we click on approve. It has been approved. The previous button, I clicked it more than once, so it came up again. We can also do the same thing. Here. Why this is very important that we change these charges is because when it comes to PayPal charges close to 5% of your transaction. Square charges 3% of your transaction, and Bitcoin itself is a medium that has been created, so you'll be able to cut down charges. But most people that are not financially literate about crypto and cutting down the charges with crypto, they will just run transactions that way. I can be able to run a transaction of 1 million naira now in crypto, and I will be charged 100 naira for that transaction. But someone else that doesn't know about this a way to find get that done will run the same transaction and be charged 40,000 naira. Later they will now start having issue with the client with their exchanging coins with based on peer-to-peer transactions. So we should always educate ourselves more on this. That's why I'm advising you to come in now and get the 10x Crypto Academy course, so you will find all this information and valuable content for yourself. So approve, you click on approve. Noise too low. Okay, I think I have to go back. I've done that before. So now we click on this icon here, and we click on the wallet to take us back home. Then I'll scroll down. Let me see if I can find this coin there. Okay, this is the wallet which the coin is meant to appear on. As you can see here, we have 0.01 BCH there. 0.01 BCH. So I will send in the contract address on Telegram, and I'll also send in the contract address on the YouTube. If you're able to watch this video to this point, you can go back and watch the previous video and know how to attach the contract address.